This video is a brief introduction to my project in lieu of thesis. The objective of the project is to develop an interface capable of allowing users to build digital logic circuits on a 3D multi-user virtual world like OpenSim. The purpose of building this interface is for teaching digital logics and to allow users to build constructions inside OpenSim without the need of programming. First, let's show an example on how circuits are being used on Minecraft. In this world, if we want to open the door using the lever, we will need to pass a message between the lever and the door. This message passing system in Minecraft is done using what is called redstone. As we can see, now we can open the door using the lever by connecting the two of them. It is possible to build more complicated system by creating OR and NOT gates. In this example, a more complicated system using two inputs is being used to open the door. In Minecraft, to allow communication between objects, there is no need of doing programming. Now, if something like Minecraft that allows users to create digital logic circuits already exists, why we would want to do something similar on OpenSim? Well, one reason is that OpenSim has more realistic graphics and it allows users to import 3D models. So there is the possibility of doing a more appealing world, and also it invites artists to bring their creations to the virtual world. Users also have more control in OpenSim. They can program their own objects and add any behavior that they want. And if a user is not a programmer, he can use the creation of other users. So between users, they can share their own objects. Also, OpenSim has more capabilities. For example, a user can download information from the web. This makes OpenSim a richer environment. And finally, OpenSim is open source. This is an example on how communication between objects can be done in OpenSim. As we can see, when the user clicks on the red square button, it changes its color and passes a message to the sphere, which also changes its color. This message passing is being done using Linden script language. The square object is sending a message on the channel 1000 by using the function LLSay. The sphere object is listening to the channel 1000, and depending on the message, it changes its color. As we can see, if we want to communicate two objects in OpenSim, we must know how to use the scripting language. Now I am going to show a simple example of my solution, which is a region mode called Digital LAN. Region modes are scripted regions that were built using C#. So basically, we can do more interesting things than the ones that we can do only using the scripting language. This is OpenSim with the interface of Digital LAN. In the top left corner of the screen, the interface to build digital logic circuits is being shown. This is what is known in OpenSim as a head-up display. We can see that it's possible to build gates and connect them with wires. Let's show an example. We are building two different inputs that are going to be connected to an AND gate. We are building the wires, and now we are going to render the AND gate and connect it with the inputs. As we can see, the gate is already built, so we can have any number of inputs on it. This is an advantage over Minecraft. Now, as we see, when the two inputs are true, the output of the gate is true. Now we are going to use the output of the gate and to connect them with a NOT gate, just to show a little bit more complex system. We are rendering the NOT gate and connect it with the output of the AND gate. We can see that using the digital logic interface, a message is being passed through the circuit. There is no need to use the scripting language, so non-programmers users, like in Minecraft, might feel more attracted to use OpenSim. This is a very simple example that just shows how the message is being propagated through the circuit. In my presentation, I am going to show some examples on how can this be used to build more interesting systems.